it is not satisfactory experiment. So that's why the other scientists, they were worked on the same experiment, but instead of the using the mice, they were carried out the experiment in the test tube. So before they start the another experiment, it is carried out by the Avery, MacLeod and McCarty. First of all, I am going to show some certain pictures of the Griffith experiments. So these pictures are shown that the first picture, it shows S type of strain of the bacterium which is injected in the mice. So because of the S type of strain, the mouse dies. In the second experiment, the R strain is injected in the mice. The mouse remain lives, that means does not die. In the third experiment, the heat killed S type of bacterium is injected in the mice. The mice remain alive. In the fourth experiment, he taken the mixture of the heat killed S type of bacterium along with the living R type of bacterium. He was found that the mice dies. So these are the four experiments which are carried out by the Griffith. Finally, whenever we take the blood sample from the S type of bacterium and cultured and found that in the blood sample the S type the R type of bacterium, they gets converted into the S type, living S type of bacterium. So it is because of the transformation principle. It is already explained by the Griffith. So this is regarding the Griffith experiment. Then after, the other experiment was carried out by Avery, MacLeod, McCarty. These are the three eminent scientists. They were carried out the experiment in 1944 after the 16 year of the Griffith experiment. So according to them, they first of all purified a material from the heat killed S type of bacterium. The material like DNA, RNA, proteins and other materials. So these material which are taken into the test tube along with the living R type of bacterium. Then they were found that whenever they use a material like carbohydrate from the heat killed S type of bacterium along with the R type of bacterium, so there is no change which is found in the R type bacterium. Then they are taken the protein from the heat killed S type of bacterium along with the R type of bacterium into the test tube. Then they were find there is no change in the R type of bacterium. But in the third experiment, they were found that the DNA is taken from the heat killed S type of bacterium along with the R type of bacterium. Here the R type bacterium, they gets converted into the S type of bacterium. So that's why on the basis of the third experiment, it is concluded that the material which is transferred from the heat killed S type of bacterium toward the R type of bacterium, so that material is nothing but the DNA. It is not a carbohydrate, it is not a protein, but it is a DNA material. They have also done the experiment by using the enzyme deoxyribonuclease. Deoxyribonuclease enzyme which is taken in the along with the R-type bacterium as well as the heat-killed DNA from the heat-killed bacterium, they were found that there is no change which is found in the R-type of bacterium. So it is because of the deoxyribonuclease enzyme, the DNA which is taken into the test tube, it is vanished. So finally, on the basis of this experiment, it is concluded that the genetic material was the DNA. It is not carbohydrate, not protein, etc. But finally, these experiments